my God, I'm so nervous. Thank you very much, Chris, for inviting me to do this, and Up for Scribe for putting on this amazing course, and band. I've seen you guys quite a few times. This is a real, just major milestone as a performer for me to be doing this. So, I have to set up the band with some abstract poetic instructions. So this is a poem. It's about recovery, it's about rebirth, it's about surviving maybe a dark night of the soul through connection. If I had a smell, it would be sea salt and pine. And it was definitely born in Seattle in the 1990s. It has a velvet heart and a deerskin drum. Ready? Can I take this out?
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't done this because I finished it today, which is terrible poetic practice. No one should ever do that. This is what a woman burned to the ground sounds like. I am electric, emerging from an acoustic field of flames. Amber sea of memory, cracking open secrets like dormant seeds. Tenderness of strangers and splendor of angels. We are fluid and geometric, tracking the transit of planets, a procession, a vision, prophetic. Dreams of dead wood kindling sparks, crackling skyward, like prayers unspoken. Forgotten rings of history split the dark, with rotten stories, spines blazing open. This is what a woman burned to the ground sounds like. I am a childless mother, lone mother, lone wolf, big bad bitch. Teenage target, failed female function, spinning unskilled, frenzied slumber. I am a motherless child, estranged, dangerous daughter, big bad mouth, bad luck, willful and wild, always and only a mirror. I am an ancient tree falling. I smell of earth and smoke and blood. I am a seed germinating. I taste of mythical floods. This is what a woman burned to the ground sounds like. Running barefoot on broken glass, down the streets of endless sorrow. A frightened child chased by night towards a hopeless tomorrow. A woman struck to silence her, instead strikes a match and ignites inside blossoming bruises. Teaching lessons, I learned to lie. I learned to drink. I learned to starve. Shrinking This is what a woman burned to the ground sounds like. Heaving sobs rolling through midnight, porous chest clutching requests, 1,000 silent silver tongues, and breath knitting together in the dark. Strange angels spinning on a sea of glass. The gift of tolerating disapproval. Radiating beyond smouldering grief. Discovering the unknown self. Welcomed into a circle of scar-clad storytellers, of hungry, graceful listeners, and finding I am home at last.